So my name is Mark Reist, and I am a Master's of Public Health student at the Ontario Veterinary College. I'm currently working with Dr. Claire Jardine and Jane Parmley of the Canadian Wildlife Health Cooperative on an online citizen science reporting tool called the Wildlife Health Tracker to enhance ongoing wildlife disease surveillance in Ontario. So wildlife health surveillance helps us to detect new and emerging diseases which could impact domestic health, wildlife health, as well as human health. Currently, the Canadian Wildlife Health Cooperative accepts phone and email submissions of dead and diseased wildlife. And while this is efficient, it requires a lot of time and financial cost. Therefore, the Wildlife Health Tracker was developed to collect additional morbidity and mortality data online and in a centralized database, which can be accessed by a variety of people to fill gaps in wildlife disease surveillance. So the objectives of this project were to develop, pilot, and evaluate an online web-based reporting tool to enhance with ongoing wildlife disease surveillance within Ontario. So in total, there was 107 observations that were submitted to the Wildlife Health Tracker. When we compared these to the Canadian Wildlife Health Cooperative reports, we found that the reports were more likely to be mammals, trauma-related, so for example, getting hit by a car, as well as the reports were more likely to be localized. We also found that engaging with stakeholders increased the amount of people who used the website, and one of the most exciting findings was that people who participated in the Wildlife Health Tracker say on a survey that they felt as if they were contributing to wildlife conservation efforts within Ontario. So my main interests in public health lie within infectious and zoonotic diseases, as well as One Health initiatives. So the aspect of this project to enhance surveillance for new and emerging zoonotic disease really sparked my interest to work with the Canadian Wildlife Health Cooperative. I really liked how multifaceted the project was. Not only did I learn a lot about wildlife health surveillance, I also gained experience in health promotion and communication through developing infographics and engaging with a variety of stakeholders. I also gained a lot of experience in survey design and qualitative research methods, which was great. So wildlife health surveillance can help to inform research, public health planning, and policy. And wildlife health surveillance in general is a large task that requires the collaboration of many individuals and organizations. So by participating in citizen science projects, such as the Wildlife Health Tracker, you're helping to enhance our ability to detect new and emerging diseases in wildlife within Ontario. So if you want to learn more about the Wildlife Health Tracker, feel free to visit the website itself at www.wildlifehealthtracker.com. If you have any questions to the project, feel free to email me at mreist@uoguelph.ca, or you can even find me on LinkedIn at Mark Reist.